Welcome back to Pro Codes. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an YouTube thumbnail and upload it to your video. In the previous video, I have shown how to create a YouTube channel and upload a video. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave the link in the description. Let's move to the topic. For creating a thumbnail and uploading, you need two applications. Open Play Store. Type YouTube Studio. Download and install this app. Tap on search bar. Enter. Pixel app. Download and install this app. Remember, you need to upload your video using the YouTube app and make it as private. First, you need to make a thumbnail. For that, open Pixel app. Tap on the three dot button. Tap on image size. Tap on preset. Tap on YouTube thumbnail and click on OK. Select this A at the bottom and click on edit to edit the text. Now type your text. Click on OK. Scroll this to the left and click on size to increase or decrease the size. Move it to the desired location of your thumbnail. Click on the tick button. Click on font. Select a thicker font. Click OK. Select color. Give the desired color. After giving the color, click on tick button. If you want to add image, click the button next to A and click on import. Now you can select any image from your gallery. Click on the tick mark. Place the image where you want. The thumbnail is finished. If you want to save this image, click on Save button at the top. Save as image. Click on Save to Gallery. Now that's it. Your image is saved. Second step, upload the image to your video. Select YT Studio. Select the video you want to add the thumbnail. Click on Edit. Select the icon on the random thumbnail. Select Custom Thumbnail. Select the image you created. Click on Select. Now make your video public. and click on save. That's it, you have changed your video's thumbnail. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.